MSD Wired Solutions is an ISA approved company which is involved in manufacturing of PVC and silicon wires. Based at Bawana, Delhi, it is basically catering to the LED and automobile industry. We are a group of 3 companies, with our parent company being Quality Connections, which is 25 years old. Our sister company is Savo Smart Solutions, which was recently found in 2020. The company is led by qualified individuals. Mr. Manoj S. Dharmadhikari is an engineer by profession and has an experience of 35 years in the industry. Mr. Vibhu Dharmadhikari, who handles the operations of the company, is an engineer from Delhi College of Engineering and is an MBA. With more than 250 customers countrywide and counting, we reached a record revenue growth of 125% in the financial year 2021. We are consistently increasing our capacity utilization and currently stand at 75%. We are manufacturing all types of PVC and silicon cables. In the PVC domain, we are currently making single core, 2 core, 3 core, high temperature, twin parallel and multi-core cables. We are also one of the few manufacturers of silicon cable in Delhi NCR. We make the best quality with the most competitive price. We also have wire cutting facility with over 20 cutting machines, stripping facility, crimping facility and also in-house molding facility. Along with manufacturing all types of wires and cables, we are also making male-female round molded connectors, which are also called as DC connectors, and also molded 2-core wire for LED conceals, panels and drivers. With the help of a team with highly dedicated individuals, we aim to provide the best quality to our customers. Proper BIS labs are set for testing during incoming and outgoing inspection. We are a one-stop solution for all your needs. You name it and we have it. We are Team MSD.